Everything that could have gone wrong has gone wrong, and now we get to put this together. So let's get started. Okay guys, thank God Kyle was able to help get that file set up, because I was definitely going to struggle with that on my own. But we are set up to record over here. We've got our 2 pieces of wood right here ready to go. So I'm going to load them in. I'll throw the settings up on the screen. Let's get them cut and see how they come out. So we're all set up here on the Eon Mira 9, guys, and the boards fit perfectly, which is great. You may notice we're in the new studio now. I've moved since we started recording this episode. I just wanted to show you Lightburn really quick so we could talk about settings for half a second. So we are doing this at 20 millimeters a second with 100% power, and we have our air assist on. Just one pass should do the trick. And remember, Kyle built our kerf into our file, so we shouldn't have to mess with this in Lightburn. It should be taken care of for us automatically. And here on the project page, we've got our 2 panels, and obviously only one of those is going to fit on the mirror bed at a time. So I'm just going to load one up, we'll cut it, and then we'll do the second one. So we had a little bit of a rough start. I forgot to turn the air assist on. I mean, the air assist was on, but I didn't turn on the compressor. It's fixed. We've got air now, and things seem to be cutting really cleanly. Checking in again, guys, and I figured out which one of my valves was closed. So now we're getting a nice clean cut. You can see it there compared to when the valve itself was closed. Big night and day difference. So this is why you cut with air. In case you were ever wondering, this is why you cut with air. Look at that difference. Without and with, that was huge. So yeah, just had a closed valve. We got that opened up, and now we've got air coming through. Okay guys, I'm taking the speed down to 15. Besides our air assist issues on the first cut, we definitely weren't getting all the way through in some spots, and I am concerned about that, so we're slowing the speed down. Everything else is gonna stay the same, and we've got our second group loaded in here, so we're gonna cut this one time, not two, and hopefully we fare a little better this time around. So let's go ahead and send this over to the machine and give this one a shot. Everything that could have gone wrong has gone wrong, and now we get to put this together. So let's get started.